Dear students, in this video tutorial we are going to learn about LED, OLED and LCD. Now first we will learn what is better, LED or LCD. An LED monitor uses light emitting diodes for backlights. LED monitors usually have superior picture quality, but they become in varying backlight configurations, and some backlight configurations create better images than others. What is the difference between the LED and LCD monitors? Liquid crystal display LCD monitors feature a layer of liquid held between the two pieces of polarized glass. LCD monitors are usually backlighted by fluorescent lamps. Light emitting diodes monitors also feature a liquid crystal display, but the backlighting is produced by LEDs, not fluorescent lamps. What are the advantages of LED over LCDs? LEDs are far better than LCD monitors because they do not use fluorescent bulb, due to which they are lighter and thinner in weight. LEDs consume less energy and save a lot of power. LED provides bright image quality by enhancing the contrast and enriching the range of colors. Are LCD monitors bad for your eyes? When we look at a screen, our blink rate drops significantly, thus causing digital eye strain. Sign of digital eye strain includes slightly blurry vision after using LCD screen for prolonged period, headaches and dry or tired eyes. Prolonged use of LCD screens may be the cause of your migraines. Are LED monitors bad for your eyes? LED cell phones, tablet, and laptop screens do not pose a risk of eye damage because their luminosity is very low compared to the other types of lighting. Prinzing Beharcohen, an ophthalmologist and the head of the expert group that conducted the review, told journalists. Which screen is better for eyes, LCD or OLED? The study in general also points that the OLED's display are quite safer than the LCD panel. Even in Samsung demonstrated a healthier BioBlue OLED display in 2015. It claimed that their OLED emits only 6% blue light compared to 32% in regular smart OLEDs and 66% in LCD. An OLED display have the following advantages over LCD: improve image quality, lower power consumption, better durability, similar design that enables ultra-thin, flexible, foldable and transparent display. An OLED display have the following advantages over LCD: improve image quality, lower power consumption, better durability, similar design that enables ultra-thin, flexible, foldable and transparent display. So what's organic about OLEDs? OLEDs are organic because they are made up of carbon and hydrogen. There's no connection to organic food or farming, although OLEDs are very efficient. Where I can find an OLED display today? OLEDs are used today in mobile phones, digital cameras, VR headset, tablets, laptop and TVs. In 2018, over 500 million AMOLED screens were used, mostly to satisfy demand from mobile phone vendors. Apple, for example, is using a flexible AMOLED in its 2018 iPhone X, a 5.8 1125 into 2436 OLED panel made by SDC and the same image display as the iPhone X AMOLED. Now here on the screen you can see light emitting diode on left hand side and how it does work. A light emitting diode is a semiconductor light source that emits lights when current flows through it. Electrons in the semiconductor recombine with electrons holes, releasing energy in the form of photons. Now then we have the LED revolution. The Nobel Prize in Physics for the year 2014 was awarded jointly to three of them, namely Isamu Akashi, Hiroshi Amano and Shigeru Nakamura. This award was given for the invention of efficient blue light emitting diodes, which has enabled bright and energy saving white light source. A diode is a semiconductor device that essentially used as a one-way switch for current. It allows current to flow easily in one direction but severely restricts current from flowing in opposite direction. What is a diode used for? Diodes can be used as a rectifier, signal limiters, voltage regulators, switches, signal modulators, signal mixers, demodulators, and oscillators. The fundamental property of the diode is its tendency to conduct electric current only in one direction. What is diode with diagram? Diode, an electrical component that allows the flow of current in only one direction. In circuit diagrams, a diode is represented by a triangle with a line across one vertex. Then we have the concept of CCFL, that is cold cathode fluorescent lamp, a lighting system that uses two phenomena, electronic discharge and fluorescence. CCFL are mainly used as light sources for backlights because they are smaller and have longer lifetimes than ordinary fluorescent lamp. A wide range of brightness and colors can be achieved by varying the type of and the pressure of the material injected into the glass tube as well as the thickness and the type of the phosphor used to coat the inner wall of the tube. CCFLs can also be formed into the wide range of shapes and sizes depending on the application. The fluorescent lamp and cold cathode fluorescent lamps have extremely similar constructions, but they are used in different types of electronic discharge. Fluorescent lamp discharge electrons through a material called an emitter by heating electrodes, while CCFL discharge electrons without heating as described above. This is due to the construction of each lamp pattern and is a greater difference between two. This is the diagram of the CCFL construction. Fluorescent lamp construction diagram. So this was all about the today's presentation. Then we have the light projectors, LCDs and DLPs. What is a light projector? Projector or the image projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly the projection. Most projector creates an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some newer types of projectors can project the image directly by using laser. What is the principle? What is the principle of projector? A projector is an instrument used per top to produce a large image of a small object. The slide or film is placed behind the projector lens outside its focal length and it's illuminated at a small but powerful source of light. How does a digital light projector works? In DLP projectors, the image is created by macroscopically small mirrors laid out in a matrix on a semiconductor chip known as a digital micro mirror device. These mirrors are so small the DMD pixel pitch is 5.4. The each mirror represents one or more pixels in the project image. Then we have how does a digital projector work. So this was all that how it's working. Then we have a projector is an instrument used for two large image of the small object. The slide film is placed behind the projector lens outside its focal length and is illuminated with a small amount of power source of light. And then we had which is better, LCD or LED projector. The LED projector uses light limiting diodes which are more energy efficient and last much longer than the projectors. The LCD projectors are use a liquid crystal display and have no moving parts, which makes them generally a little less expensive, but they require constant maintenance, which means more money.